Hello tie knot lovers, this is Mr. C's How to Tie a Tie. This one's called the tulip knot. This is what it looks like. So let's get started. So as part of this flower week, this one's called the tulip knot. And we're going to start with the wide part on the left hand side, narrow part on the right hand side. Wide part down to where you normally wear it. And because I've got a wide tie, I'm just going to pinch the middle. If you've got a narrow tie, you don't need to do this. And we're going to go across the top, round the back, and then we're going to go up and through, and we're going to go down the right hand side, round the back, and we're going to go down the top. So it's a bit like the start of a Windsor knot. This bit here, narrow bit's going to go right across the front, around the back, up through from the back, down to the right, round, and then I'm just going to tuck this through here, through this loop I've just made. Cinch that up, and there is our tulip knot.